All right, what's up, guys? It's kind of weird. I don't usually talk in front of the camera very much. My hoodie is covered in dog hair, whatever. This is kind of just a channel update for you guys. I haven't posted anything in months, but I wanted to give you guys an update. So coming up this month, we're gonna be doing a video about owning the cheapest Golf R in the country. There's actually a video out right now that says I bought the cheapest Golf R in the country. I haven't beat. So we're gonna do a video on that, just stating what it's like owning super cheap Golf R and how I ended up with it and kind of the plans for it now that I posted for sale 10 times and it hasn't sold. Coming up after that, this is kind of a big one. I decided that for years now, I've taken things like a gaming PC where I buy it for X amount of dollars and sell it for 5 times that. I buy a car for $50 and sell it for $2,000. Why not take something as simple as an Apple Watch that I paid $50 for on Marketplace and turn that into a Porsche? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this Apple Watch and we're gonna turn it into some sort of Porsche. I'm not gonna say, hey, I'm gonna trade this for a 911 because you never know. It could be a 928 or a 944 that I trade up to. But yeah, we're gonna be trading a super cheap Apple Watch all the way up to a car. It'll be kind of a cool series, I think, and you guys have down the line just said, oh, you should make videos out of the shit that you do. Well, if you watch it, cool. If you don't, whatever. I don't really care at this point. All this shit's demonetized. So that being said, coming to the demonetization topic, July 22nd this year, we're gonna be doing Upper Echelon, myself, Kyle Geiger, who does Northern Werthersea that you know we go to every single year. Myself with him, Nick Gothier, Overinvested, we're gonna be throwing a very large event in Marquette, Michigan. For those of you who know where it is or what's in Marquette, Lower Harbor is gonna be where this is most likely hosted at. We're not gonna make this a European only event. We're not gonna make this a Japanese only event. This is gonna be probably the first of its kind up here, at least, where every single car enthusiast is welcome. Yeah, food, music, cars, hoping for a few hundred cars. It should be easy in this area as long as we start doing it now. The website for Upper Echelon should go live on the 1st of the month. I will put a link down below when it's available. Here's some early previews of what you're looking for. I've started digging through the archives of 13 years worth of stuff and decided all of that's probably gonna get uploaded to a second channel just as it is. So you'll be able to see things from when I was a teenager and after that, things that never saw the light of day. And if you're friends with me or in the videos, I'll let you know that link. Otherwise, it's probably not gonna get posted anywhere. I think that's, oh, big news, big. That was one of the, hold on, I think it was one of my key points here. Some of you might know this guy, Craig Lieberman. He was a technical advisor for Fast and the Furious, the original movie. He was the original owner of the Hero 1 movie car, Supra. He owned Blackbird as well, so the Motor X R34 that everybody saw back in the early 2000s, the black one. He played a big part in Fast 2 as well. We're gonna be doing a Zoom interview. So I will be putting that on my channel or in a future vlog or something like that. But yeah, I talked about it a while ago. I talked about doing an interview with somebody that was fairly important in the car community and important to me. And growing up and how I got into cars is pretty much all his fault. So thanks for that, Craig. But yeah, excited to sit down, talk with Craig, see if we do it once, do it twice. We were supposed to do this back in October, but things just got kind of hectic. So Craig, if you're watching, excited to talk to you. Till then, I'm probably not going to post anything on YouTube. You'll see maybe some website updates for Upper Echelon, maybe some 2022 demo reel stuff, but yeah, trade series coming up, Golf R videos coming out, Craig Lieberman interview. That's about it. I think winter's kind of the NOWO 2022 video. Yeah, it's been 2 months. It's still not out. I've redone the video 4 times, and yeah, it'll come out when it comes out. So I'm sick of rushing stuff, and we're just not gonna rush anything anymore. When it comes out, it'll come out. But sweet. See you guys soon.